Hey guys, I'm Ashton White, and this week on Ask Ashton, we are going to be talking about how do you actually generate leads on Instagram. So Instagram is great for having like a portfolio of all of your new listings or your coming soons or things that you've just sold, but how do you generate leads from that? I know a lot of realtors have that question, so I wanted to focus on that today. Recently, I watched a webinar and they came up with 3 different ways that people are using Instagram to generate leads, so I wanted to share those with you today. I'm going to share one with you, and then the other 2 you're going to have to come to my Instagram class, so I'll let you know when that is in December. So Tom Ferry actually suggested that you use your Instagram stories to create a poll. What you'll do is you'll say, are you currently living in your dream home? Yes or no? And then the next story would be another poll asking, are you thinking about buying or selling in the next 6 months? Yes or no? So those people that say yes, you can then reach out to with a direct message and find out how you can help them. So let me know what you think about that. If you try it out this week, I'd love to find out what your results were. If you have any questions that you'd like to ask, put them in the comments below and hopefully I can answer them for you. And I hope you'll have a great weekend and stay tuned for next week's Ask Ashton.